Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a traditional IRA with Vanguard, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up a traditional IRA with Vanguard, start by visiting their official website. Click on the Personal Investor tab at the top of the home page. Next, locate the Open an Account button, usually found prominently on the page. Select the option to open an IRA account from the list of account types. Choose Traditional IRA as your preferred account option. Now, you'll need to fill out your personal information. This includes entering your name, address, and social security number. Provide your date of birth along with your contact details. After entering your personal information, you'll be asked about your employment status. Indicate whether you are employed, self-employed, or retired. Next, you will have to answer questions regarding your investment experience. Vanguard will assess your investment knowledge to tailor their services to your needs. Once you complete this section, move on to the funding options. You can fund your IRA through a bank transfer, check, or by rolling over funds from another retirement account. Select your preferred funding method and follow the prompts provided. If you are rolling over funds, be prepared to supply the necessary account details from your existing. After funding your account, review and confirm your application details. Make sure all the information is accurate before submitting your application. Once submitted, Vanguard will process your request. You'll receive an email confirmation once your account has been successfully set up. Now that your account is active, you can start selecting investments. Browse through Vanguard's selection of mutual funds and ETFs to find the right fit for your retirement goals. After choosing your investments, allocate your contributions according to your strategy. Finally, make sure to monitor and adjust your portfolio as needed over time. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a traditional IRA with Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.